Thought I'd take some video of the Satellite for you, so go ahead and crank it up. As you can tell, it's got the nice Borla exhaust on it. Sounds awesome. Super clean all the way around. No dent stings. And some folks were talking about the brackets on the bottom for the sway bar. I'll show you guys if that is in fact mounted. It's hard to see, I understand that. And then bumper too. Pretty even. I guess that left side could stand to come up a little bit. As everybody knows, that's a simple adjustment. Pop the hood for you too. Super clean. And let's talk about that sway bar real quick. So they are mounted in two spots. Right there up front, and you can see there's obviously two poles. We only capture one. That's where the sheet metal fits, and then there's another one in the back. I just don't want anyone to think that this thing's like holding on by the front. It's not. It's a high quality QA1. When I was driving to the photo shoot, I had some sprinkles. And that's why you can see a little bit of dirt under there, but the car is super duper clean. No rust. Nothing to worry about. We'll hit the gas for you a little bit.